William Samuel Ruto maiga yoko enda gwikirana sensori ya Amerika asiri tukurio mwedio ni gochinga kie chibono twabere tukuligira kati yali abetaka gusabere kago ikiranigwa kubwatikana netaro yo murai bwensa no naboniga enseri ya Amerika yabere kegote yabona chikonyara gokonya ense ya Kenya chindega 15 neyemo iribono kugira nyara gutumika aiga sense ya Kenya chinga kie chibo igoni gense ya Kenya atone chikubatoka bilion chechibesa icho chiranyara konyara gokonya kurwania mangana ngetobu kurumi gati ebinte binge ibono bikagere gochya kubwato kugocha sense ya Kenya itera yaye ninki irengete gochya somo Kenya Job Maangi na Mange
Omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigo abaga gutabokia etaro ya matuko ane imense ya Amerika asabe tega kumirana no murai bwense Amerika Joe Biden.
I express optimism that Kenya and the US will innovatively design appropriate defense and security frameworks.
Omurai bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto nigakoba omurai umutangani bwense gutarira ense Amerika mage myaka 15 nomo asomurai bwense ya Ghana John Kufor abetika utarira omuchi omunene Washington ense Amerika.
It's a press conference. Thanks everybody.
Asetaro yaye imense Amerika nigabe tega konyora amaya amange asense Amerika yabe tege kurwa eira gochigosira se ense melia korenda ebinto bitonto kanaine oborendi chisemi na boigo oboteneneli bwense bose democracy.
New initiatives to expand affordable internet all across East Africa. New education programs are going to bring Kenyan students to the United States to study in the STEM fields. And I'm proud to announce that I'm working with Congress to make Kenya the first country in Africa to receive funding through the CHIPS and Science Act, which has served us well. This funding will link their supply chains to the United States and to our partners, and spur innovation that extends from Silicon Valley in California to Silicon Savannah in Kenya.
Boigo omurai bwense Amerika Joe Biden nigabe tega kurwa eira yogo chikogendra kubwatirana nense ya Kenya asoko yekinya kiuchumi.
We're providing $250 million the United States is to the World Bank in a crisis response window. In the coming weeks, the United States is going to make an additional $21 billion available to the International Monetary Fund. And today I'm proud to announce there'll be $250 billion in new lending capacity for multilateral development banks like the World Bank to help low-income nations invest in their development and tackle growing challenges.
Ensemo yaye omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto chinga kiaboretwe ekerenga gyokuira abanyanyimbo ba Kenya asense ya iti nigabe tikagoteba nensemo eyemo yoko enekinga oborendi no morembe mboro asechinsemo chiri chitabwati omorembe.
Participating in peacemaking, and we have been participating in peacekeeping over the last 40 years in 47 countries, including very difficult neighborhoods like what we're going to face in Haiti. We are going to take up that responsibility alongside the Haiti police, and we have clear modus operandi how we are going to relate with the situation on the ground that has been agreed under the United Nations framework.
Aseboigo imetaro yaye asense Amerika nigo murai bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto aumeranete no yokabeire omurai bwense Amerika Barack Obama asebatu arete chinkwana ao bunabarabe bakubwaterania chinsechi ibere.
The previous time was still in the other house, so I actually me, Michelle. Okay. Yeah, okay. And the staff was very nice. Yes. Yes. And
our countries need transformational investment to build climate resilience, transform our economies, and respond to crisis. The world urgently needs to mobilize larger amounts of resources to facilitate green transition and tackle climate crisis.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.